In this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy that dozens of TikTok Shop brands are implementing to go to 6 and 7 figures per month over and over again. After working with 350 brands over the last 8 months, I've discovered the hidden force that generates 90% of the revenue for top TikTok Shop brands. And using the method I'm showing in this video, e-commerce brands are consistently able to generate even 400% revenue increases. Take Seek Supply. When they started, they were at 50K per month. And after implementing this strategy, they were able to go to 300K per month in just 120 days. Or Hickaway was able to go from $0 to $84,000 in revenue on the platform in just 90 days. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to implement that exact same strategy and get results just like those as quickly and easily as possible. Without further ado, let's get into it. Here we are within the TikTok Shop Affiliate Center, and we're going to talk about how to go from a store like this that's at 0 GMV to a store with potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars in affiliate GMV. The first thing you have to know is the 2 main reasons why TikTok Shop sellers fail on the platform. We can see here that you have rules for reaching out to creators. You have GMV of between 0 and 2,000, 2,000 to 50,000. You have completely different messaging limits. So you'll have between 2,000 messages per week and 7,000 messages per week to send to new affiliates. You send those by creating target collaborations and adding creators to those target collaborations. You can see here I've created one and then I'm adding creators to that target collaboration. You can add up to 50 creators to each target collaboration. The reason most brands aren't getting the affiliates that they want is simply because they're not sending enough messages. If you have 2,000 messages per week, you need to be sending all 2,000. If you have 7,000 messages per week, you need to be sending all 7,000. That's because you're not going to be getting in front of most of those people. TikTok Shop is really loud for the affiliates. They're not able to review every sample request they get. You need to be sending enough that the ones that you are getting in front of, you at least have a chance of getting them on board. That's the first way brands really fail. Once you get an affiliate onboarded, the typical situation is they request a sample, you invest cost of goods, you invest shipping, you invest your time in sending that sample to them, and then they make a video, and that's the end of the relationship, and that's the end of the communication with that affiliate. That's the wrong way to think about the affiliate world. You need to be making relationships with affiliates. You need to be messaging the affiliates at every stage of their journey with your brand, thanking them for coming on board, and letting them know what's the vision of the brand. What's the vision that you have as a founder for the brand? As soon as that sample ships out, we can be sending them content ideas. As soon as that sample's delivered, we should let them know about our incentive program. As soon as they get their first sale, let's send them a congratulations message. All of these things combined and these messaging systems help to get you much better content from the affiliates and more content per each sample that you're sending out, which at the end of the day, when you send out a sample and you get one bad video, it's impossible to scale like that. That sounds like a lot of messages. You're thinking, Sebastian, that's 5-6 messages per affiliate. If I'm onboarding 1,000 affiliates a month, even 100 affiliates a month, am I going to send 500-600 messages every single month? After sending out those 2,000 to 7,000 per week, be sitting at your computer all day. So obviously you came here to learn the secret hack to doing this effectively and efficiently. There is a tool that allows you to automate from the affiliate outreach, sending 1,000 messages per day, 7,000 per week, all the way to those follow-up messages where we're providing top performing videos to all new affiliates. And that tool is Uptick. This is the platform that top brands like Seek Supply that we mentioned, like Hickaway, who are able to scale up their affiliate revenue super quickly, are utilizing to absolutely maximize the return that they're getting on every sample they send out. Here we are within a dashboard of a shop, and we're going to show you exactly, first of all, what one of these automations looks like to set up, and then just how quickly you can start seeing results with these automations. Here we are. We can title this campaign Outreach. We can select Invite plus DM, as this is the best solution they offer, where you're able to create a target collab and then send that target collab within the DMs automatically to that same affiliate. So you're able to hit them in both possible places. Then, of course, we're going for new affiliates here. We'll go next. And now we can filter by anything we'd like to filter by. And this is the same as goes for within TikTok Shop. So this data comes straight from TikTok Shop. For example, we can select any affiliate who's done more than $100. We can hit next. We can add that product we want to add the shop ads commission, hit next. Here we can add the outreach message. Now I'd recommend following the format of hook, body, call to action. You want to avoid the hey, creator name, comma. That's what every other brand is doing. You want to separate yourself and grab the attention of that affiliate. So we can add that hook again in the invite title. Now this is where we're going to create that DM. So within the DMs, it's then going to send that invite card, and we can automatically then add a follow-up message if they haven't requested a sample or haven't replied. We can follow up with them in 3 days saying, hey, just checking in on this. So we can finish that and we can start up that campaign. Now, the next thing is really making sure that these affiliates are getting properly incentivized. The communication is there on the back end once they've been onboarded. Like we talked about, a lot of brands fall short with the messaging to affiliates once they've been onboarded. We don't want to be like them. We want to separate ourselves. So let's talk about how exactly we're going to do that. That's within the CRM. The CRM is a creator relationship manager. So this is where you're going to manage all of your affiliates on TikTok Shop. You'll have the My Affiliates page where you'll be able to see all of your affiliates, what status they are, what showcasing status they are, their GMV they've generated, the units sold, any tags that you want to add. And then the most important feature is the groups right here. This is where we're going to be able to segment all of these affiliates in any way we see fit. We've called it shipped because that's the sample request status. When the sample ships out, this is going to populate. And for future reference, every time a new sample ships out, whether it's today or in a year from now, they'll populate into this group. And then the flywheel indicates what I'm going to talk about next, which is another feature, which is that way to send those top performing videos to all new affiliates. We can see here, there's just 4 affiliates on here. We'll update the group. Then we'll come down to the flywheel and we can see I've already made one, and I'm just going to show you really quickly what that will look like. So it's just going to be a very simple page where you can house these top performing videos and add a headline on top. Let's actually go over how to make these flywheels. So we can go over here, edit, then we can give it a name. Now we'll add that short headline to the top, like please recreate these videos. I would also mention the GMV that these videos have generated there. And then you can add links manually if you're a new shop that doesn't have viral videos yet, or will automatically pull your shop's top 20 videos, which then you can easily add just like that. This is a great way to provide those new affiliates with the videos that have worked in the past. You don't want them sitting there ideating, thinking about what content to make. You simply want them making good content. Then we'll go back to automations, and we can see here that we've already created the ship flywheel, but I'm just going to walk you through what that actually looks like. So we've called it Ship Flywheel. We'll select DMs. We can select CRM groups here. We can go next, and you would select that CRM group that we just made, which is Shipped Flywheel. Next, we'll craft the message that we'd like to send to them. So I would recommend sending them a message along the lines of, hey, your sample just shipped out. It's on its way. While it's on its way, we wanted to provide you with some of the top performing videos that other creators have been using recently to absolutely kill it with our product. We want you to succeed with our product, so we would just thought we would drop this here in the DMs. Then you can add that flywheel right here by just selecting flywheel and then selecting the flywheel that we just made. We can hit finish and we can start this. And like I said, whether a sample is shipped tomorrow or a sample is shipped in 12 months, this automation will run. This is set up once and then never have to really touch it again other than updating the videos in the flywheel maybe. If you're ready to implement this strategy but haven't created your TikTok shop yet, I've created a detailed step-by-step guide walking you through the entire process. That way you get it right from the get-go and you'll be on your way to hitting those first 6 or even 7-figure months on TikTok shop. So make sure to click on the screen. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.